In this video, I'm going to show you how to set lot size in MT4. Now to do this, first you want to open your order window, so click on new order up top or press F9 on your keyboard. And then in here, as you can see where it says volume just below your symbol, you can actually set your lot size. So from here, of course, you can either click on the drop down arrow to see all the pre-built options in here, or you could just go and manually type it in, like for example, like this over here. And there we go, that's going to work as well. And from there, you can add stop losses, take profits, comments, and order types, and you can then go and basically execute your order. Now that's the first way, but if you're using the one-click trading, so up top left here on the chart, you can adjust this as well by clicking either these arrows up or arrows down, which is gonna, of course, go up or down by 0.01, or you could go ahead and manually type it in as well, and that's going to work too, okay? So that's how to set your lot size in MetaTrader 4. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.